In this tutorial, we are building a journey to create a Shopify product listing from Typeform response. So let's start. Select Typeform as a trigger. Next, choose New Form Response as a trigger event. Now, in order to establish the connection, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. We will cover how to create a new connection in a separate video series. Next, select the appropriate form from which we have to gather our responses. Now, based on response, we have to create a new product via Shopify. So in step, select Shopify. Choose Create Product as an action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now add product specifications from Typeform app data tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. We have to submit a new Typeform response. Now go to Typeform. In Form, select View. Add a response. Submit the response. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Shopify. Refresh the page. We can see a new product listing in Shopify. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to create product listing in Shopify via Typeform. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.